In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize data by sorting in Google Sheets. If you've ever had a long list of names, items, or categories that feels messy, sorting can tidy everything up in seconds while keeping your information accurate. I'll show you the simplest way to alphabetize an entire sheet and how to sort just a specific table without scrambling your rows. First, if you want to alphabetize everything on your sheet based on one column, move your cursor to the letter at the top of that column. Hover over the column letter to reveal a small arrow. Click that arrow, then choose Sort Sheet A to Z. This tells Google Sheets to reorder every row on the sheet using that column as the guide. The key benefit is that entire rows stay together as the sort happens, so the data in each row remains aligned and accurate. For example, if you sort by last name, the associated first name, email, and any other details stick with that person's row. If the results don't look right, remember you can always undo with a quick Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. Sometimes, though, you don't want to sort the whole sheet, just a specific table or section. In that case, highlight the exact block of data you want to organize. Then go to the Data menu at the top and choose Sort Range. In the dialog that appears, check the box that says Data has header row if your table includes a header at the top. This is important because it keeps your titles from being mixed into the alphabetical list. Next, select the column you want to sort by and choose A to Z. Only the highlighted range will move, and the rest of your sheet will stay untouched. A quick tip to avoid scrambled information. When you use Sort Range, make sure your selection includes all the columns of your table, not just the one you're sorting by. That way, every row's details remain linked correctly. Also, sorting is generally case-insensitive in Google Sheets, so uppercase and lowercase letters are treated the same. If sorting seems unavailable, check for merged cells or protected ranges in your selection, as those can block sorting. Once you've applied either method, scan your data and confirm it reads top to bottom in clean alphabetical order. You'll notice it's much easier to find what you need, and any future updates will stay organized as you sort again. And just like that, your list is organized and easy to read. From A to Z in seconds,